What is the recap? Where we at?
What? On last week's episode?
Yeah.
Peter was talking to the church about what was going to happen and what posture they should have moving forward. They're in the upper room. I think this is the upper room, right? Yeah, this is the upper room prayer meeting.
Then times will come when the Lord will refresh you, and he will send you Jesus, whom he has appointed to be the Christ.
Many people embrace pluralism, believing that the world's major religions provide independent paths to a saving relationship with God. It just reminds me of like what you're talking about and how, you know, other religions do a better job at being more committed and more disciplined, and they'll just see or whatever. Like, we get very passive about it sometimes.
Yeah, I agree.
Getting ready to head out to the gym. It is Monday morning. Oh wow, look at the size of my head. It is Monday morning and my phone and my Apple Watch are not charged, so now I have to take extra time to wait for them to charge because Lord knows between my Apple Watch, my phone, and my AirPods, I'm not going to the gym without neither. It is a collective effort. It is a part of my body when I work out. Just fixing my hair a little bit in between with my favorite edge control from Pattern Beauty. I injured my toe the day before yesterday, so I didn't go to the gym yesterday. So today is kind of like a testing day to see how my foot is doing. I dropped my camera on my toe. Oh my God, that thing hurts so bad. I was screaming and it like, my whole nail is black and blue and there's like a whole bunch of blood under it and stuff like that. But I didn't fracture any bones, thank God. I wasn't sure if I did, but today I'm like able to move everything without a problem. So I'm just gonna go to the gym and work on upper body as opposed to lower body so that, you know, I can still get myself moving, but I'm still like cognizant and aware of my foot and just try not to hurt it. But I just can't stay in the house. I stood in the house yesterday. I left my foot elevated so that, you know, it can heal and it can rest, but like I can't stay in the house for too long. So I am out today. I'm just gonna take a walk, and you know, if I can't do anything too strenuous, then that's fine too. I just wanna get my body moving. So that's what I'm about to do right now.
If you have your extra care card, please scan it now. Place your thing at CVS. Welcome. If you have your extra care card, please scan it now.
Good afternoon. Happy Wednesday. I am just waking up from a nap. I've been doing this thing where I've been falling asleep in the middle of the day. I don't know if it's because of the heat wave or whatever, but it is 4:18 right now and I'm just waking up. So I literally just jumped up because I was like, I need to get to the gym and I gotta start packing because I'm going on a weekend trip starting tomorrow. So I have to get packing, and I just did my laundry before I fell asleep and stuff. So I have a whole bunch of stuff I want to get in order. But I want to make 2 stops before I go to the gym. I want to stop at the bookstore to check out this book that I've been hearing about called Morning Pages. I have to do my research to see if it's something that I am comfortable doing, because I've just heard some things about it. Good things and then like not so good things. So I just want to check it out in person before I purchase it. And then I need to go get like a good sunscreen, which I probably have here in the house. I feel like I should check what I have here in the house. But my friend was telling me about a really good sunscreen that doesn't overcast and all of that stuff. So before I leave, and just in general, I want to have a good sunscreen. So I'm about to head out now to do those things and then head to the gym to get a workout in. Let me put my watch on now so I don't forget. To style my hair. I washed it this morning because my scalp was itching me and I just needed to wash my hair, but I'm gonna wet it now because I am going to do a wash and go. As for what I'm going to use, I don't know. I'm thinking about, so I've noticed that my hair really appreciates when I don't use gel. Let me rephrase that. My hair likes when I use gel for wash and goes anyway. My scalp, on the other hand, doesn't react well to it. So I've been doing a lot of wash and goes without gel. I kind of want to try this gel by Mazzani, but I'm scared because I know how my hair is with gel. My scalp just starts itching. I really like this styling cream by Aveda. I think I made a video on my YouTube channel, but I'm like halfway through. So if I can find another one in my other room, I'll use this because I really like this. So let's see if I have. All right, I couldn't find it, so I'm not really sure what I should do. All right, so I think I'm just gonna pair these two, and I'm not gonna separate my strands too much. I'm probably just gonna like literally detangle my hair and then put the product in. And I have extra of the curl enhancing lotion because they just sent it to me. So let's see. Here's the before. We have my cinnamon applesauce, which is really annoying. But I got the regular one. And I need something quick that's gonna fulfill my seat. We are done. What time did I start? I think I started at like 7. It is officially, what time is it? 9:06. Not bad. I don't think I started at 7. I think I started like at 7:30. So not bad, like an hour and a half. Let's put my hair up in a pineapple. That's how I like to sleep, when I'm putting my hair in a wash and go, especially when I want it to look really nice the next day. Let's baby hairs a little bit, you can see, just to give it some, you know, structure, because I gotta run to the nail salon in the morning, so I want it to look like, you know, we got stuff going on here. So I'll probably leave this out for a little bit just so we can air dry for like 5 minutes, and then I will put it in a scarf. Ooh, I'm so happy this is done. Hey Siri, set alarm for 6 a.m.
I turned on your 6 a.m. alarm.
Lovely. My neighbor gave me this Tiger Balm cream to put on my toe that I told you that I injured, and it's been helping, so I'm gonna put it on right now. It smells like Vicks, but it's like a reddish type thing. I don't know if I'm showing it to you correctly. It looks like this. Is it working? I don't know for sure, but I feel like it's working, so I'm gonna keep putting it on my toe. So yeah, that's the vibe, that's the vibe. I'm gonna let this hair dry. I wanna watch this show that's on Netflix with Idris Elba called Hit something? I don't know, everybody keeps talking about it. I've been watching Shameless, and like, as much and as good as that storyline is, it is just so like, it has a lot of good messaging, but it's very inappropriate and very toxic in nature. So I think I'm gonna take a break from it because I've just been binging it and it's a lot. Very good storyline again, but also very just like, it's a lot. It's a lot, it's inappropriate, it's fake toxic, but it touches on real things. So I'm just gonna take a break from that and I'm gonna watch, should I watch the Netflix show? I also wanna finish reading my book that I bought and I haven't been reading. So let's see what I decide to do.